Hello friends, today I have one of the excellent handout that was shared to me by Dr. Sudhakar Naik, and with gratitude I'd like to read this handout for you. This handout is called Chakshumati Vidya. Man is blind, he cannot see that he is blind. We have eyes, but we see through them only the appearances, not the real. The real is miss. That is why those who have known have called man blind. The art or science of observation and description consists of how to make our eyes mirror-like, non-projecting, just looking at that which is, not creating it, nor imagining, not adding anything to it, just encouraging it as it is. We never see the things as they are. We always see through our mind. We color them. A girl looks beautiful or a man looks beautiful. The same man or woman was not beautiful a day before, and the same man or woman may not be beautiful again. So what happened? How does the person suddenly become beautiful? And our whole logic is illogical. We say, I love this person because this person is beautiful. The contrary is the case. This person becomes beautiful because we love. The beauty is not the cause but a side effect. In this mood of love, we project something on the person. We project our dreams. The person becomes just a screen. The whole beauty is put there by us. It is we who create the beautiful face. The beautiful is our evaluation or interpretation. It is not real because the reality is neither ugly nor beautiful. If a man disappears from earth, what will happen? Will the hills be beautiful, the flowers beautiful, the thorns ugly? What will happen? With the disappearance of man, beauty and ugliness will disappear. The earth will be there as it is. The sun will rise and the moon will be there in the night. And the sky will be filled every day with the stars. Flowers will flower. Tree will bloom. And the hill will be as they are. Everything will be as it is. But there will be no beauty and no ugliness. With the disappearance of man, all evaluations, interpretations disappear. The reality is neither beautiful nor ugly, it is there. We evaluate it according to ourselves. This is why a certain thing can be beautiful in China and may not be beautiful in India. And certain type of face is beautiful in Africa, it may not be beautiful in England. We conceive things through our mind. That mind goes on evaluating. But we can understand about beauty and ugliness. What about other interpretation? If man disappears, there will be no good and evil in the world. All our judgment is through our conceptions. There's a beautiful story about a Muslim Sufi mystic. He used to sell small thing in the village, and people of that village become aware that he had no judgment. So they would take the things and give him fast coins. He would accept them because he would never say this is right and this is wrong. Sometimes they would like to take the things from him and they would say, we have paid. And he would not say, you have not paid. He would say, okay. He would thank them. The death came near to this old man. These were his last words. He looked at the sky and said, Allah, God, I have been accepting all kinds of coins, false ones also. I am also a false coin. Don't judge me. I have not judged your people. Please don't judge me. And it is said that how can God judge such a person? If judgment disappears, we become innocent. If we don't divide things and people into good and bad, ugly and beautiful, acceptable and non-acceptable, and if we look at reality without any evaluation, our eyes will come into existence for the first time. This is Chakshumati Vidya, the art of gaining eyes. Thank you.